Hello, Indian Foundryman. I am the DN Patel, Managing Partner of the DN Castech and Chairman of the Rajkot Chapter, Institute of Indian Foundryman. I have a lot of experience about the plasma. For me, it is being a lot of installation in my group companies. I always referred for the plasma induction furnace to install my group companies. Since I have experience about the technology they use, they are providing inbuilt IoT and all the parameters latest technology. Very good performance we experienced, and they have a very good quick and booming response about the services. As a local in Rajkot, we have a very good experience in comparison of the other suppliers. Plasma is best for the small scale industries which are exploring in the Rajkot industries and getting the good performance with the minimum electricity consumption and maximum output of the molten metal. Thank you.